In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Charles Schwab referral code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to share your code or link with confidence. Start by signing in to your Charles Schwab account. Make sure you're using the account that's eligible for the referral program, typically a standard Schwab brokerage account. Being fully logged in is important because your personal referral details only appear once the system recognizes your account. Next, head to the official referral page. From the main navigation, open the support menu, then choose Refer a Friend. Interfaces can change over time, but you're looking for that support area and the Refer a Friend option within it. Once you're on the page and signed in, scroll down. You should see your personal referral code and your referral link appear there. Your referral code is usually a short, unique string of letters and numbers that you can paste into a message. Your referral link is a URL that already includes your code, so friends can just click it and go straight to the right sign-up flow. Both point back to you for tracking, so use whichever is easiest for the person you're sharing with. From here, simply copy the referral code or the referral URL and share it with friends or family. A quick note: share only your code or link. Never share your login details or any personal information. A short, clear message explaining that it's a Schwab referral and where it leads can help your friends feel comfortable and informed. People who use your referral may qualify for a cash bonus after opening an eligible Schwab account and making a qualifying deposit. The current bonuses can range from around $100 to $1,000 depending on the deposit amount. Exact amounts, eligible account types, and deposit requirements can change, so be sure to review the terms shown on the referral page when you're signed in. If you don't see the referral section, there are a few common reasons. First, confirm that you're logged into a qualifying Schwab brokerage account. If you're in a different account type, the referral feature may not appear. Second, try using a desktop browser, since some referral pages display best on larger screens. And finally, keep in mind that some account types are not eligible for referrals, so availability can vary. That's it. Sign in, go to support, select Refer a Friend, scroll to find your code and link, then copy and share. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your referrals.